Student, today we'll deal with next subtopic, that is Banking Regulation Act 1949. Under this, cancellation of license. The Reserve Bank of India is authorized to cancel the license of a banking company under the following circumstances. Now, let us see which are the circumstances where Reserve Bank of India can cancel the license of banking companies. When the banks fails to comply with the terms and conditions imposed upon it at the time of granting a license. It means if banking company does not follow terms and conditions, meaning rules and regulation put by the Reserve Bank of India at the time of issuing license. Second case, if banking company does not carry the business related to banking, meaning it does not deal with money matters and credit. In short, we can say banks does not carry activities related to banking business. In that case, Reserve Bank of India can cancel the license of banking company. Moving on to the next condition, that is, if the bank does not have enough funds to repay its present as well as future depositors in full. Student, as I said in the last class, in the topic licensing of banks, when any banking company obtain license from the Reserve Bank of India, it was mentioned as one of the conditions that banks should have sufficient funds to repay its depositors in full. But when banks does not have sufficient funds to repay its depositors at present as well as in future, in such case, Reserve Bank of India can cancel the license of banking company. Let us see next circumstances where Reserve Bank of India can cancel the license of banking company. When banking company does not conduct its business in the interest of depositors and the general public. Next point, it is mentioned here, when the banking company does not conduct its business in the interest of depositors and the general public. It means if we see the case while issuing the license to a banking company, it was mentioned that banking company should conduct its business in the interest of depositors as well as for the general public. But when such conditions are not fulfilled by banking companies, then Reserve Bank of India has right to cancel the license of banking company. Therefore, based on the above mentioned circumstances, Reserve Bank of India can cancel the license of banking company. But before the cancellation of the license, the Reserve Bank of India provides the concerned bank sufficient opportunities to take necessary steps and comply with the guideline laid down under the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Secondly, when the license of a banking company is cancelled by Reserve Bank of India, then the aggrieved bank make an appeal to the central government within 30 days from the date of issued of the notice for cancellation. So that is all about cancellation of license by Reserve Bank of India.